Hey everybody, welcome back to Crypto Kings. My name is Matt. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Robinhood's recent announcement regarding Shiba Inu. This is their first and only time ever actually commenting on Shiba Inu in any way, shape, or form. I'm really excited to talk about this with you guys in today's video, and we're going to be breaking everything down. So if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for daily SHIB vids. Let's get right into it, folks. So if you guys haven't already seen this, of course, SHIB on the day is up a little bit. We're at around a 2.5% on the day increase so far, and this is all good, and we'll get into this a little bit later on here in the video. But we have an announcement here from Robinhood Comms. This is their communication channel here on Twitter, and this is their only statement regarding SHIB. They said, "We have not made any announcements with regards to SHIB or any upcoming coins." And this is from their communications team here. This was just a day or two ago here, and you guys see this is you know, their official, sort of communication channel here, and you guys can see, of course, they are basically talking about obviously just some updates with their obviously their platform, but they don't have all that many tweets here. They only joined in August, so this is a pretty new kind of platform here. But what is really interesting is the fact that this account really started tweeting in October. So this was done in October, and it's funny because the minute they tweet that out, they get a gajillion bombardments here with Shiba Inu in the responses here. I think a lot of people missed this, that even on their first tweet here, which again, weird timing, they've gotten more pressure now than ever to add SHIB onto the platform. They get all these crazy replies here on that day, and then same thing here. They tweet this out obviously, and they get just an absolute onslaught of SHIB related replies. Of course, these are some of their hidden comments, and hurry up, an announcement. Y'all want to make money, don't you? And I think Robinhood definitely know that, that they would make a good deal of money from this. They're saying here, so make it. What are you waiting for? If you want to make profit, then list it. You're missing a lot. So it's funny because they actually hid all of these replies. And the question is, why are they hiding replies that, people are basically saying, yeah, this is a no-brainer. Why would they hide replies of people saying this is a no-brainer? So it's a little weird. Again, maybe we're reading a little bit, too much into this, but honestly, I do think there are a few clues here that have been given out that I definitely think are worth looking into. So I'm curious what you guys have to say about that down below in the comments. But what I'm also curious about is whether or not you guys are interested in signing up for Webull, folks. Top of the link down below in the description. It is so easy. All you have to do is click the link, and if you guys sign up, we both get up to $2,300 in 2 free stocks. Typically, they'll be like $5 or $10 stocks, though. I mean, you could get lucky. I've had a couple people here get pretty lucky on some. Me and someone else here recently got a share of Apple. Me and someone else here got a fractional share of Facebook. So congratulations to whoever that was again. But if you guys want to sign up, it's the easiest 15, 20 bucks I'll ever make. Link down below in the description. Completely free to do. So with that being said, guys, on the day here, SHIB right now is up around 2.5%, which, is to be, understandable, because obviously, it really did have its major run, around 2 weeks ago. So it is hard to say that this will follow Bitcoin's trajectory exactly, because it already had such an explosive run. And there are a lot of other altcoins that you could kind of say this about. An altcoin that I absolutely love is VRA, one of my favorite altcoins. And, they're up 3%, but, similar kind of thing with them. They had their run earlier in the month, and obviously, by nature, they're not going to follow Bitcoin exactly as much. And, you could look at this really with just about any token here. I mean, there are some, if we sort by some of the lower ones, there are a lot of tokens which, kind of had their run a little while ago, earlier in the month or whatnot, and, they're not quite going to, follow Bitcoin quite as much. But regardless, when we look here at the graph, it looks like we may possibly, I wouldn't swear to it, but we may have broken out of this period here of consolidation. So in my last video, I said, hey, this period here of time could go on for 2 weeks. This could go on for 2 days. We really don't know. And that is this sort of horizontal kind of window here, hanging out right in at like, 27, 28, which if you told someone this 3 months ago, they'd probably be freaking out. But it looks like here when we almost hit 30, once again, it looks like we may be seeing a bit of a breakout. Now, the question is this breakout going to be sustained? And the only way to really tell this is to look at where these future candles are going to be. So if we see candles like this, where they are constantly, and I'm going to add some more here for you guys, where these candles are just constantly, charting above the line, and they're constantly, pushing up a little bit, if we were to see some candles like this, you know what? Yeah, I would say it's broken out of this period of, sort of horizontals, but it could also do the reverse. It could kind of fall through and then, continue to, sort of head down a little bit. And obviously, we could see something more like this. So the question is this a breakout from this little horizontal, trading period, or is this just kind of a tease and it's going to, sort of fall through again? Really, what the question is this going to pass this period of resistance here at 28.62? So you guys see it here. When we set this line here, this 28.62 line, this really is a good gauge of resistance, because obviously you guys can see on the 18th here, it passes through this line, hangs out above it a little bit, and then falls down and kind of consolidates under there for a couple of days, and then obviously it breaks through it again right now. And the question is it going to continue to break through it, or is it going to fall and consolidate once again in that horizontal period? So that's definitely something I would be asking yourselves if you guys are looking into this. Obviously, if you were to take a look here at the relative strength index, you guys could see, we're right here, around the middle, between 40 and 50. So, keeping everything kind of level, kind of calm up until, right this particular moment. You guys will notice it gets to 68, which is pretty close to exceeding what the relative strength index considers to be normal. And obviously this 68 coincides with this attempt to break past, this sort of consolidating region here. So again, this is definitely pushing it here at 29.5. That is really kind of pushing the boundaries of, what, is expected to be traded right now. So again, like I said, this, push towards the top of the RSI could either be good, and obviously we could continue to see it maybe even break past, what the RSI continues appropriate, and obviously, kind of a surge in trading volume getting us up to the 30 here, or again, it could continue to fall towards where it was kind of trading at, somewhere around here, 45, 50 in the RSI, which, would probably be something like this at around like 28 and 28.5 and things like that. So those are the two possible questions that I have going through my mind right now about future price action for this. But all around, guys, again, everything here is still pretty good. Obviously, SHIB here still 19 on the list here of market cap. So obviously $11 billion in market cap, which is still absolutely awesome. And of course, that has led to an increase here, 12.85% increase in volume here over the past 24 hours. Obviously, most cryptos have seen an increase in volume. So that's obviously not a bad thing. Always like to see more trading volume, and all around, I definitely do think this will be continuing to look up over the next few days here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you all have enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you guys never miss a video in the future. My name is Matt. See you guys on the next one. Peace.